Hi, hello dears. Welcome back to the virtual learning experience of BSS Gurukulam Higher Secondary School. All are enjoying at home, right? We teachers are overwhelmed with joy and excitement to see your positive responses. Thank you dears. Today we are going to study about angle calculation and cutting across. Before starting that, I'm having a small query. Can you give me the answer? Do you remember what I taught in the first class? In the last class, we learned joining angles and linear pairs. Do you remember what is that linear pair, children? If a line is drawn from another line, the sum of the angles on either side is 180 degree. So here it is 60 degree here. This angle is 60 degree. So total should be 180 degree. So what will be this angle ACE? 180 degree minus this 60 degree. So 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Then we will go to the problem, angle calculation. This one. Okay? I will give you the similar example, not the exact measurement. Here the measurements are given 20 degree and 40 degree. In your textbook it is 25 and 50. So here we need to find out what is angle ACE. We already know that the sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. That is linear pair is equal to 180 degree. That is a straight angle. So here the complete angle from here to here, that is 180 degree. Here it is given 20, here it is 40 degree. So how to find out this angle? Total is 180, 180 minus this angle, 20 plus 40. What is 20 plus 40? 60. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. Check this is correct or not. See this children, this is right side, right open. If it is right open means you need to take right side 0. So here this 0, this is 20 degree here, and here this is from here to here, that is 40 degree. Then we found that here the answer is 120 degree. So this is left side open, this is right side open, this is left side open. So which 0 we should choose? Left side 0. So from this 0, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So the answer is 120 degree. Children, you need to do these questions as homework. Okay? Our next topic is cutting across. So children, here cutting across. Here it is given 100 degree. You have already learned that the straight angle is 180 degree. So if this is 100, what about this angle? Or how will you find out this angle? Straight angle minus 100 degree. That is 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. This is 80 degree angle. And here you check this part, this is the straight line. What about this children? This also a straight line. So these two angles, this is 80 degree. So what about this angle again? 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. This is 100 degree. And then here, this also a straight line, right? So here it is 100, and what about this? Again 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. So here, look at this, opposite angles are equal, that is 100 degree. These two opposite angles see 80. This is one important property also. Children, let's do another example. So here AB is one straight line, CD also another straight line. So here it is given BPC is given as 30 degree. So this is the straight angle, right? BPA is the straight angle. So that you know that straight angle is 180 degree. So how to find out APC, this angle, APC, that is 180 minus 30. What is 180 minus 30? 150 degree. 150 degree. And this also straight line, CD also straight line. So sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. So this is already 150. So here 180 minus 150. What is 180 minus 150? That is 30 degree. Now here this side, check this side, this angle, this complete angle. So that is also a form of semicircle, that means protractor form. Protractor is 180 degree, right? So here 30 degree here, 90 degree here. So what is 30 plus 90? 30 plus 90 is equal to 120 degree. Then 180 minus 120 is equal to, what is 180 minus 120? 60 degree. These 4 questions are there. You need to do this as homework. Children, this is the end of our first chapter. So practice well. So these all are required for our second chapter. So practice thoroughly. If you have any doubt, call me. Okay? Thank you. See you next time.